Hey there! So, imagine you have a tricky problem to solve with Excel. The problem involves referencing a cell in another sheet, located in a different folder in Workbook that is not open. Quite a challenge, right? Well, the good news is that we have the solution for you. Let's talk about the solution now. The key here is to use the index function in Excel. By using the following formula, equals index, d, backslash folder 1 file 1.xlsxref, k, indirect, a and row, you can successfully retrieve the content of the cell at K21 in the ref workbook that is not open. This formula combines the power of index and indirect functions to fetch the data you need. Pretty cool, huh? In summary, we've tackled a common problem in Excel where you need to reference cells from a closed workbook. By utilizing the index function along with indirect, you can access the desired cell contents without any issues. Excel functions can truly work wonders when it comes to data manipulation. Well, it was great helping you out with this Excel challenge. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips, like the video if you found it useful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Keep on excelling in Excel.